And good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you. Another look at that forecast. We're going to start things off with a look at rainfall for the month. Well over 3 inches, 3.38 for the month in general. That puts us at over 45 inches for the year and now running a surplus. It's crazy to think we barely got anything in October and now 3 inches through just 15 days in November. We still got half the month to go. What a difference things can make. And notice little, if any, drought conditions. And all of this data was put out before it accumulated all the rainfall that we just saw. So there's a good chance we're going to chew away a lot of these abnormally dry conditions across the area. And we should be in good shape when this updates next Thursday morning. So that is certainly good news. But we are going to see some dry days over the next couple. However, the main theme is most likely going to be that stubborn cloud cover that's going to hang around today in Bowling Green as well as Owensboro. Probably the closer you get to the Tennessee line and the further west you go, there might be some more breaks in that cloud cover. As it continues to thin out, you could see a couple of peaks of sunshine. But cloud cover is so difficult to forecast for. Some of the models are a little bit more bullish on the clouds thinning as we get into our Saturday, where we could see more sunshine. If we see thinning skies tonight, we'll have a much better chance waking up Saturday morning with a little bit of patchy fog because of how much moisture is on the ground. If it stays cloudy, we won't have that fog threat. Upper 50s today, more clouds than sunshine is really an understatement, but temperatures remaining slightly below normal for this time of the year with a stray peak of sunshine or two. Right now, we're gonna say it's going to be mainly cloudy tonight, but again, if it does clear out, we could see a little bit of patchy fog tomorrow morning. Big story will be next week. Big ridge develops, keeping things rather warm for the first half of the week, but by the second half of next week, a big dip in the jet stream, and it looks to turn sharply colder, not cooler, colder across the tri-state as we're looking at a big pattern flip. And you notice temperatures here, upper 60s next several days, up near 70 by Tuesday. But then that front will come through. It cools us down Wednesday into the upper 60s. And look at next Thursday, highs only in the upper 40s. And as we get into next weekend, those high temperatures most likely will be even colder than that.